Let's take a look at a very interesting utility that Excel provides with pivot tables. It's called report filter pages. It helps you filter data on a field of your choice and then create separate worksheets for each filter item. Let's take a look. The data that we have is sales of different products across different regions via different channels. Let's create a simple pivot table that shows total units sold for each product. Steps for that are very simple. Select the entire data, go to Insert menu and click on Pivot Table. Leave the settings as it is and press OK. Let me zoom in a little. We will bring products to rows and units sold to values. And as you can see, we have the total units sold for all the products. We can add as many details in this table before we use the report filter pages. Let's add channel information in columns. Now what I want to do is create separate worksheets for each region: North, South, West and East. To do that, I can add region in filters and create 4 copies of this worksheet, and then filter on one region in each of the worksheets. But that is very tedious to do. Instead, what I'll do is something very simple. Click on Pivot Table and go to Pivot Table Analyze. In some versions of Excel, it'll be just Pivot Table, in some Analyze. Go to the Options drop down and click on Show Report Filter Pages. It shows region here because we added region in the filters here. And instead of creating the 4 worksheets for each region manually, I will just press OK. Before I do that, you can see we have only 2 worksheets, Sheet 1 and Master Data. Let's press OK and see what happens. You can see Excel has created 4 new worksheets, 1 for each region. This sheet is called East, and we can see the data is already filtered on East. When we move to the sheet called North, the data is filtered on North. We can see the same behavior for South and West. So this is one example where you would need report filter pages. It is also very useful when you're evaluating the performance for a team, say the sales team. Then you can put the salesperson name in the filters and generate everyone's report using report filter pages with just one click. If you want to learn more about pivot tables, then you can see some of the other videos in the series. The links are in the description. Thanks for watching. Until next time.